Hey everyone, this is my fourth video in the Practical Tantra series. If you haven't seen the first three, please go through, find my first three, because this one is the culmination of all four. Today, I want to talk to you about sensual touch and how to basically combine everything you've learned up to this point. So, sensual touch in Tantra is all about being very present in your body and your sensations. And actually, just to incorporate a little sensate focus, I want you to think of when you're touching temperature, texture, and pressure, because these are ways to be fully in your senses. So if we were to combine skills from the first four videos, you're working on eye gazing, you're working on deep breathing, and you're working on using body undulations, right? So in this fourth video, you're combining touch to incorporate with those things. And so Tantra is about slowing down a sexual experience and making it a more full-bodied experience. And so in my previous video, I talked about American sex, where it's basically you kiss, you touch, I guess you go down on each other, and then you penetrate, and then it's over. But like, people get into this pattern, they repeat and repeat and repeat, and they get bored with it. So Tantra is trying to teach you to slow down and fully experience the entire body. Your entire body from head to toe is capable of giving and receiving pleasure. So if you're using sensory touch, what you're trying to do is slow down the way that you touch the body, really fully get involved in your touch, right? And so if you're combining it with the undulation, for example, and you move your body, then you're also touching with a full-bodied experience, right? So if you're the toucher towards your partner, you might take slow, long strokes across their entire body, like really take in that skin sensation. And if you're incorporating deep breathing, you're slowing down your breath, you're syncing it with your partner to become very present and to not be too much in a rush to just go, like kiss boobs, vagina, kiss boobs, vagina. We can't rinse and repeat that again and again without people getting bored. So like Tantra is about slowing touch down, feeling every nerve and igniting. Like if you think of, there's actually a phrase, it's called feasting, like feasting on your partner. That's from the Good Sex show on Discovery Channel. Like you're feasting on them. You're really taking in every sensory experience. So if you're doing deep breathing and you're like touching this chest part, but you get your face right next to them and you smell them, taste them, you stop and you eye gaze and you look at them as you do these different things. Or if it's being done to you, you eye gaze back. And when somebody gives you eye gazing, you're like nervous, you use deep breathing to slow down your nervous system and to be present, to lean in to the eye gazing so that you're not like awkwardly terrified because somebody's looking at you. But like the deep breathing allows you to feel empowered as you look at them. You're like, okay, we're doing eye gazing and I can do this. And you just slow down your breath and really lean in to looking at them, like in a seductive sort of like, I'm here and I am present in this sexual experience. And then the touch, it's just a way to connect the body to the body. You're thinking of skin-to-skin contact and being fully present in the sensory experience. You're like, this is a cool part of your body. This is the warm part of your body. That's if you're playing with temperature. If you're playing with texture, you're noticing the rough spots or the smooth spots. But again, you're slowly, deeply getting involved in the sensory experience. And that's the tantric touch. It's a sensual, slow, real taking in and drinking in of your partner, or partners drinking in each other, if you will. And then of course pressure, you play with different pressures. You play with a rougher, tighter, or a softer, sweeter pressure. And all of these ways are just getting deep into your sensory body and your more animal instinct body. And they are sexy. You can hear, like even my voice, it slows down as I teach you this process. So if you would like to learn more, please submit a contact form and get involved in my email newsletters. I tell people every month what I'm doing to what different products and services I'm offering. So I would like you to get involved in that by submitting a contact form at therapistsinstlouis.com. Please also like and subscribe and talk in the comments about different ways to do sensory touch, different ways you've explored touch in fun, slow, sensual ways. And then also, if there is a friend that you think could benefit from this video, please send it to them. I want to help as many people as I can.